Kejialang kenhun Menteri ke Sorkar MDA2 hak santre unai wing araja arpusau kalamen jor yak amendment of Meghalaya building bylaws ban pentre kam hak basna yaki jaka bu Karkhana New Shillong Township. Habakran cikilat patai kubor din kejialang ubak polling do Menteri berikmi ikatrat social welfare bar unong ai ketien ke Sorkar MDA2 ulong. Bagajing temu kalong ban Pynbeit renti hak basna yaki jing te yeng kibahe haki jaka ban yeng Karkhana ha mau khanu bat mau kasiang.
The amendment of the Meghalaya building bylaws. This is broadly to facilitate the need to categorize the industrial zones into categories that were earlier not done, and also it involves amendment of the building bylaws for these industrial zones, and as you are aware, the expansion that is happening currently, especially in the new Shillong area, the new city, has to be planned in a very scientific manner, which is why we need this new set of bylaws for the industrial zones to be in place. And these were considered and approved by the cabinet. In all the designated industrial estates across Meghalaya, because urbanization is an ever ongoing process and it is expanding, but as of date, certain categories of buildings have not been duly notified, and therefore there is a need to regulate such buildings. There is a need to categorize them, to define the FAR of each of the categories, setbacks, all of those issues. Hence, there's a need to regulate such buildings, and therefore the cabinet decided that in view of the growing urbanization and the emergence of new urban centers, so within these industrial zones and estates, the categorization of these buildings and their applicability of the bylaws will be extended to those industrial zones. These are all for as I said, the industrial estates, industrial zones. It's wherever such activities are taking place. So right now, New Shillong is the immediate point of attention, but it will be across the state wherever such industrial estates are being created. What is happening is that in areas like Mau Khanu, areas like Mau Kasiang, we will have these industrial zones within areas already acquired by government of Meghalaya.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.